Raceway in Bedfordshire as part of the £500 birthday challenge. Right next to me is a modified Chevrolet pickup truck that is making the camera mount and the lens and everything shake. Hopefully that'll go away in a sec. I'm up against the Chevy. You'll see it probably in my camera at some point, because I don't think we're going to be beating him today. So yes, here we are on the strip, and yeah, we're up against that Chevy. I don't think, viewers, that it's going to be the fastest time in the world in this Rover 620, but we'll do what we can. It's going to be entertaining anyway. So yes, automatic gearbox, no sport mode, literally just press and go, and I'll hold on as much as I can. Behind me is Mr. Matt Richardson from Furious Driving in his Hyundai Coupe, and Mr. James Coleman, rubbish mechanic, in his Renault 11. Behind that we've got another Matt who is driving a lot of Lloyd's Mechanical Marvels Toyota Celica. I'm just waiting to be called forward, and then we'll go up to the pre-staging lights up there. Get this right place for timing gear here. It's very precise. Okay. Wow, massive wheel spin off the line. Huge wheel spin. Not a very good start, I'm afraid, viewers. And it's over. Wow. There we go. Come round to the end, and I'll stop the camera in 1 second, but yeah, huge amounts of wheel spin. That was fun anyway. Right. Thank you very much for watching. Good afternoon. It's still the 12th of October. I'm still at the Santa Pod £500 birthday challenge. We're at the Run What Ya Brung event, and it's my second run in the 1998 Rover 620 GSI. There's a huge, enormous cloud of smoke in front of me from somebody in a diesel Seat. I'm going to see if I can get a better time on this occasion. Right, just up to the staging lights here. Hold it on the brake and then we'll go. Come on. Come on. Was that any better, viewers? I'm the thinnest idea. I had a very gentle start that time. Whether I'm going to beat Matt in that Hyundai, well, I don't know. We'll just have to see. Thank you once again for watching. Good Good afternoon again, viewers. This is the last run of the day at the £500 Santa Pod Raceway Challenge. We're at the Run What Ya Brung event at the Santa Pod Raceway in Bedfordshire, and I'm in my 1998 Rover 620 GSI automatic. I've been called now to go forward, and I'm going to try the right-hand lane. See if that makes any difference at all. I don't think it will, but I'm going to give it a try. So here we go. I'm going to put it in D3 as opposed to D4. See if that makes a difference. Let's not go too quickly off the line. Here we go. So pre-staged, and then we're getting to the BMW 3 Series Coupe. Right, hold on. Shifted just before the stand. I don't know, viewers, if that made any difference to anything at all, putting it in D3 and not D4. My top speed was, I think, around 75 miles per hour. Didn't spin the tyres, so yeah, I don't really know. We'll just have to see how that went. And that's my final run of the day. I think for the sake of the transmission on this car and the fact that this car will be sold to its new owner quite soon, I think I'm now going to give her a rest, and I hope that perhaps got me a faster time. So thank you ever so much indeed for watching these 3 runs. Please don't forget to subscribe to the Lloyd Vehicle Consulting YouTube channel, and also to Laurie's Mechanical Marvels, Furious Driving, and A Rubbish Mechanic. They're all people who've been doing the challenge today. It's a real shame that Planet Auto weren't able to make it, but as we said in other videos, it's due to Annabelle's health that they weren't able to come, and we've really been missing them actually. So please don't forget to watch their content anyway. I've got a website. It's www.lloydvehicleconsulting.co.uk. And I've also got a Facebook page. It's facebook.com/Lloyd Vehicle Consulting. All the cars that you'd see in the challenge: the 1987 Renault 11 1.4 GTL that Mr. Coleman's been driving, the 2002 Toyota Celica 1.8 T-Sport that Matt and the others from Laurie's Mechanical Marvels have been entering. That's available for sale. And also Mr. Matt Richardson from Furious Driving's 2001 Hyundai Coupe. All these cars are available for sale. Thank you ever so much indeed once again for watching.